Hi, Lily.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm very well.
Yeah, you're very well. That's good to hear. Okay. Now, Lily, I will share you. Are we done in your we are now in unit 19?
Yes.
Yeah, unit 19. I will share you now unit 19. Answer my questions. This one. Okay? Can you see that, Lily? Okay, Lily, can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so now we have here questions. Answer my questions. So when I say Lily, question, that is Q and A. What do you mean by the word Q and A? That's question and answer. You will have to ask questions and you will have to answer the questions. Okay?
Museum.
Now we have some words to study. We have museum,
Drum.
drum,
Pyramid.
pyramid. Okay, look at this. This one, Lily, is what we call the museum. Okay, can you see that? Next is the drum. Again, museum.
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 Okay,
Drum.
drum,
Drum.
Pyramid.
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 Okay, this one turning on. Okay, look at that. I turn on the lights. I turn off the lights. Okay, turning on and turning off. You understand this?
Teacher.
Yes.
We have finished it.
Oh, so we're finished in 19. Where are we in 19? But we're not done all. This one, are we done
Yes.
with this?
Yeah.
This one, are we done?
Yes.
19.
Yes.
Oh, this one.
This
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, so this is one. Okay. So now we are done, okay, with all the one I told you. So we're gonna have the who, when, where, and when. This is just the last one we had and we're done. So we're gonna have a review. So when we see who, Lily, so wait for a while. Okay. So when you say, okay. So when you say who, Lily, so it means you've got here, okay, for a while. Okay, so you've got here a person. Asked about a person. Who is that woman? That's who. So when I say where, it's asking about the place or the positions. Where is it? What is that place? Or where is it? It is in.
Uh.
Okay, that place is. Okay, where? Where do you live? I live in Vietnam. When? When can I see you? When did you last see him? Okay, when, it means it is time. So when you say when, it is time. So when is time. Okay? Oh, wait. Just a minute, Lily. Okay, Lily? So, when I say time, it means when. So, I am using the WH expression for when. So, why? Why is asking for a reason, for explanation. So, why it is like that? It is why. So, you ask explanation about that particular thing. So, why were you late? Okay, so why was he late? Okay, like that. So you were asking information about that why. Okay. Next is asking for a specific thing or object. What's the matter? What time is it? What time is it? This is what. Asking for a specific thing or object. What's the matter? What time is it? Okay. Asking for a way. How? In what manner? How does it works? How does the jeep run? It runs because there is a gasoline and someone is driving it. How do you go to school? Lily. I go to school, teacher, I go to school
By bus.
by a bus, by a motorbike. I go to school by what?
Motorbike.
Motorbike, by a car. So how? Okay? So again, we have three. Who, person, where, place, when, time, why, the reason, what, what's the matter, what time is it, what it is, how, asking for a way, manner, or from. Okay? Now, asking here, next is which. Which is asking about choice. So when I say which, you have to let to do choices. So you have to pick which is better, exercise, which is better exercise, swimming or tennis, swimming or running. Okay, you have to pick. So which is which? Running, swimming, which of the applicants had got the job? Which of the applicants? The first applicant or the two? Which of the teachers is your English teacher? Teacher Anne or Teacher Jane? Okay, you have to pick. So it means which? Which of the applicants who's got the job? The one who is wearing white or the one who is wearing pink? Okay, so which? You have to pick or you have to choose. Next is how many. So when you say the word or the expression or the questions how many, it always been asking about quantity. It is used with countable nouns. So when I say Lily countable nouns, it is a noun that can be counted. Like the things. Any things, Lily, that you can count. Okay, example, water. Can you count the water? Can you count the water? Can you count the water, Lily?
Count the water.
Oh, can you count the water? Can you count the water? Can you count? Can you count? Of course, Teacher Anne, I cannot count the water because liquid. Any liquid like water, you cannot count the water because it's liquid. Milk, you cannot count the milk because it's milk, it's liquid. Okay, juice, you cannot count the juice because it's liquid. Okay, anything that liquid, you cannot count that one. Anything that liquid, you cannot count that one. Okay, you cannot count anything that is liquid. Okay, so now here, so we have here how many, how often, which. Okay, so again, how many, use about quantity. How many pencil do you have, Teacher Anne? I have 2 pens. Okay, I have 3 pencils. Okay, I can count the pencils. When I say, how many books do you have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books here. I've got 8 books here. So there are 8 books. So I can count the books. Because books, Lily, is countable noun. So when I say countable here, I will write. Okay. So when I say countable nouns, these are the nouns that can be counted. Can be counted. Countable nouns. Okay, another one. So when I say countable nouns, things that can be counted, like books, like bags, like pencil, like notebook, anything, Lily, that you can count. When you say things that you cannot count, we call it as uncountable nouns. Oh, I cannot count this one, Teacher Anne. Uncountable includes all the liquid. Okay, like juice. You cannot count the juice, of course. Okay, you cannot count the juice. Okay, you cannot count the juice. You cannot
Yes.
count the milk. You cannot count the water, of course. You cannot count the rice. You cannot count the flour. Okay. Anything that is too hard to count is uncountable. So here, how many people were there? Okay, how many? Of course, Lily, you can count people. How many people? In the picture, there are 3 people. 1, 2, 3. So you can count people. That is why you use how many. Next one, how often? Okay, it's asking about frequency. How often do you go to beach, teacher? I only go to beach if there is occasion, Lily, not always. Okay. How often do you go to school, teacher? I go to school twice, 2 times, or thrice in a week only. Okay. How often do you go to mall, teacher? Not always, Lily. Sometimes only. Okay. So when you ask the word how often, it means you are only asking how frequent, how often do you do it, how did you do it. Okay, how many times did you do it? How many times you go to school? How many times you go to mall? How many times you ride a bus? How many times, like that? Like how many times? How often uh do you do that things? Okay. Now, Lily, do you understand all of this? Do you understand, Lily?
Yes.
Okay, now I will ask you one by one now. Give me a sentence using each of this. There are 9. There are 9. So you have to give me 9 sentences that start with this question. Number 1, who? Give me sentence. Give me question using who or start with who. Okay, give me sentence that start with who. I am listening, Lily. Just speak, do not write. Okay? Please, what is, give me a question. Start with who, Lily? Who?
Who?
Yes.
Who is she?
Who is she? Okay, very good. Where? Where? Give me a sentence using where.
Where are you from?
Okay, very good. When?
Uh,
When?
uh, when we go to cinema?
Okay. Okay. Next. Another why.
Why
Why?
do why do you no why you do that?
Why you do that? Okay. What? What?
What are you eating?
What are you eating? Very good. How?
Uh, how how old are you?
How old are you? Okay. Asking for way, manner, how. Next is which.
Uh,
Yeah, which.
Teacher.
Yes, which.
Wait me a minute.
Okay.
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 Uh,
Okay. Now which.
okay. Which one is your?
Huh? Inas man eh. Okay.
Which one is your?
Oh, which one is yours? Not your. Which one is yours? Which one is yours? Okay, which one is yours? Okay, how about you? Okay, now.
How many people in your house?
How many people are in your house? How many people are in your house? How many? So because it's how many. Now, very good. Next, how often? How often? Asa po? Pareho may mali.
How often do you go Go to school.
How often do you?
Go to school.
Okay, how often do you go to school? Very good, Lily. Wow. Okay, now let's move here. Okay, you understand this?
Yet.
Yes, that's great. Okay, at least you understand. Now, so we have here what time, how much, how old, whose. Okay, so now let's move. Okay, now Lily, write the correct question words after numbers 1 to 12. Okay, it's your time to write it. Please write the correct question words after numbers 1 to 12. Okay, let us try if you understand. Okay, please try to write the question words. Okay, Lily, look at number 1. What is your surname? Let us see your answer. Okay, very good. What is your surname? Number 2, can you please read, Lily? Please read, Lily.
Who is the cleverest student in this class?
Okay, who is the cleverest student in the class? Yes. Who? Because we are talking here about the cleverest students. You know what is clever?
Um, no.
Oh, clever, it means smart. Clever, smart. Cleverest, it's smart. Okay. So when you hear the word clever, you know that that is smart. So who is the cleverest student in the class, or who is the smartest student in the class? Number 3, what's your answer?
How did you come to student today?
Okay,
To school today?
how did you come to school today? By bus. Okay, by bus. So it means you are asking in what way, how did you come to school today? Very good, Lily. Okay, next one. Number 4. Number 4,
Whose birthday is in April?
whose
April.
birthday in whose birthday is in April? Whose birthday? That is whose birthday is in April. Okay. Okay, whose birthday is in April? Okay, it means whose birthday is in April, teacher? Okay, so you are asking the time, the date about whose birthday. Whose birthday about on April? It's who. Actually, it's a person. Who is? Whose birthday is on April? It is my brother' birthday. Okay, number 5. Can you read number 5? Okay, number 5, Lily.
Yes.
How old? How old?
Uh, how old are you?
How
10,
10 or
11.
11? Okay. So yes, how old is correct because you are asking the age. Okay. But Lily, always remember when you try to write a question, don't forget, Lily, this should be in big letter like this. W, W, H, W, H. So it is written in big letter, capital letter always. Okay, number 6. What time did you get up this morning? Okay, that is, you are asking what time? The answer, Lily, is 7 o'clock. Okay, number 7. Please answer number 7.
Uh, how much homework do you have every day?
Okay,
Too much.
too much. Okay. How much homework do you have every day? Or too much, teacher? So again, look at the start of the letter is big or capital letter. Okay. Number 8, please. Very good. Number 8, please.
How many people live in your house?
Yeah.
4 or 5.
Yeah. How many? Again, it define or it tells about how many, yes, like how many people, okay, how many people live in your house? 4, 5, okay, like how many people live in your house? Okay, number 9, number 9, number 9, please. Which
Uh,
which is the best?
which is the best? Uh,
Okay.
which is the best place to go?
Which is the
Museum.
best place to go? Museum or a shopping center? So you have to pick. Okay, what are the choices? You pick. You pick you pick Lily. Museum
museum,
or
or a shopping
shopping
center.
center. Okay, so that's why you have to use the word which. Okay, another one, number 10.
How often do you listen to music?
How
Every day?
Yeah, how often do you listen to music? It always asks the question here. Every day, teacher, how often do you listen to music? Every day, teacher, every day. Oh, next, 10. How often do you listen to music? Every day, teacher. 11. Please, 11. Please, 11. When will you go home?
Uh,
When will you go
who
home?
are you? Who are you learning English?
Oh, who are you learning English? Okay. Why are you learning English? Not who. Because you are asking reason, why are you learning English? It's not who. So who is for people? You are asking reason, why are you learning English, Lily? Because I want to know how to speak English, Teacher Anne. I want to be very good in speaking English. That's why, why. So you have to answer the question, why. Okay, Lily? Okay, Lily?
Okay,
Yes. So do you understand all of these words? You understand?
yet.
Okay, very good. Okay. Let's now move to this. Okay. I'll wait for a while. I will have to erase. In here, Lily, let us practice asking and answering question. Okay, I will ask you, what is your surname, Lily? What is your surname?
Surname?
Yes,
I don't understand.
your surname, your family name. What is your family name? What is your family name? Okay,
It's
what
a,
is your family name? Like your surname, you're Lily Brown, or what is that your surname?
it's a, my surname is Wu.
Ngo, Ngo?
No, VU.
Avio Vu. So Lily Vu. Okay, that's your surname. Lily Vu. Like my surname is Ann Kavan. Kavan is my surname. Yours is Vu. Okay, Lily Vu. Okay, that's example. Now, okay, you will answer my surname is like that. Okay. Now, okay, on the beach. Okay. Ask me a question in which you will answer, your answer is on the beach. Okay, can you ask question in which the answer is on the beach? Okay, can you ask question in which the answer is on the beach? Okay, can you ask question?
Last question.
Ask example, teacher Ann will answer this on the beach. Okay, I will ask question. Where did you go yesterday? On the beach. Okay. How about in a museum? Okay. Can you give me a sentence? Okay. Can you tell me a sentence or a question that answers in a museum? Okay. Do you have anything in mind in which you answer in a museum? In a museum. Okay. Where will you go tomorrow? Okay. Lily, please don't forget you have to put question mark here. And of course, this is big let oh sorry. This is big letter Lily. W. Okay. Where will you go tomorrow? Okay, that's good. Very good, Lily. Next one, in a class. Okay, what is that? In a class. Can you write or can you tell me a sentence in which it will answer in a class? Very good, Lily. Where did you go last week? In a class. In a class. Where did you go last week? In the classroom. Okay. So, in the classroom. Or it could be, okay, you can have it in a class. Okay. This could be the answer, Lily, or is here in a classroom. In the classroom. Okay. Where did you go last week? In the classroom. Okay, so that's it. So do you have idea now, Lily, what is or how to answer and how to ask question using WH. Do you have idea now? Do you understand about this?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand, Lily? Do you understand,
Yes.
teacher? Okay, very good. Okay, another one here. Wait for a while. By the way, Lily, what did you do this afternoon? Did you sleep already or not yet? Did you take your
Not
snack?
yet.
Okay, did you take your snack? Sorry, teacher Ann is taking the snacks. I eat French fries here. You know French fries? You know French fries, Lily?
And fried.
Yeah, French fries. It's a potato. Like this. It's a potato. You will have to fry it and it becomes fries. Okay, here. Another Lily is at the party. Okay, we have here some example. Actually, we've given her 4 questions. So, at a party. Okay, what did you do at a party? Okay, you can have that one. What did you do at the party? Okay, what did you do at the party? I danced,
Uh,
teacher. Or what did you do at the party, Lily? If I will ask you, what did you do at the party?
I play with a swing.
Oh, I play in a swing. Okay. So, have you been to the party lately? Like last week? Have you been to the party? A birthday party? Or not yet? Or no?
I don't understand.
I mean, have you been to the party? Have you go to party?
Yes.
Oh, what party is that?
A birthday.
Ah, yeah. So when teacher said, have you been to the party, Lily, the same, I am asking, have you go to the party or did you go to the party? Have you been to the party? The same. Okay? Please take note of that. Please understand. So when teacher Ann said, have you been to the party, Lily? Or did you go to the party, Lily? The same. Just the same. Okay? So you been
Okay.
to the party, birthday party. Whose party is that?
Is a friend of in my family.
Ah, the friend of a family friend. Is it far from your house? Far or just near?
It's a half half far, half near.
Oh, half far, half near. So it's not that far, it's not that near. So you ride motorcycle only. You ride motorcycle.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. By the way, Lily, okay, sorry. So what's the work of your dad again? Your dad is a police?
No.
Ah, sorry. I thought I forgot. Maybe I keep on thinking if your dad is a police. No, your mom is a businesswoman, right? You have business, right? Okay, so you're because I saw in the Facebook there is business, business, business. Okay, so now Lily, so you been to the party with a birthday party with a family friend. Oh, how old is the birthday celebrant, the one who has birthday? How old is he or is she?
This is she and he.
Ah, two, two person,
Yes.
two people. Oh, what did you eat there?
I eat uh, sweet. No,
Oh,
I eat candy.
oh, candy
Uh,
only. How about
a
cake?
chicken.
Chicken. Oh, you like chicken always. Okay, what else?
Uh, a Jollibee.
Oh, there's a Jollibee there.
Yes.
Mm. What is your most favorite in Jollibee? The one you like most in Jollibee?
I like small is Coca-Cola and chicken. Chicken.
You like Coca-Cola and chicken. Okay, Coca-Cola like this. Look at this one. This Coca-Cola like this.
Yes.
Do you have like this in Vietnam?
Yeah.
It's Coca-Cola. Okay, but in your house, do you drink Coca-Cola?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's very
Sometimes.
sometimes, yeah. It's not always, because it's not advisable to always drink Coca-Cola because it's not actually good for your health. Coca-Cola is not good for your health. But Coca-Cola is delicious and yummy, yummy, right?
Yes.
I love it. And you love also, teacher, love Coca-Cola. How about you? You like Coca-Cola? You like Coca-Cola, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Lily, so we are done with Unit 19. Next time, we're going to have on Monday. Okay, by the way, do we have makeup class on Saturday?
Not today.
Yeah. Do we have class on Saturday? We have makeup class?
No.
No?
No.
Wait, I will check. Yeah, no, no. Okay, so we don't have makeup class on Saturday. Okay? So I will see you on Monday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. For now, Lily, thank you so much. And teacher will say goodbye. Okay, by the way, show me your face. Okay. So I have here Coca-Cola like this. Okay, you have like this in Vietnam?
Yes.
Yeah. Coca-Cola, and you have also like this, like, okay, looks like Coca-Cola
Uh,
but it's orange. You have like this?
yet.
Oh, wow. So, okay, for now, Lily, teacher Anne is saying goodbye because I have to do a lot of things. Okay, so I will see you on Monday. Okay, bye bye, Lily girl.